Hey, Dr. Mark McCawley here, and today I'm going to talk about a type of recession that most people don't even really pay much attention to or don't even know they have it. It's called lingual recession, and this is a case of it right here. This person came in, and, well, they didn't even really notice they had recession on the insides of their teeth. This is actually the insides of their teeth right here, but their dentist was really worried about it because they're looking at doing orthodontics. They're actually going to move the teeth around. And I'm glad they sent him over because this is a case where the thin gums right there and all that recession right there is causing an issue. So because of all the calculus buildup, all that tartar buildup, it's pushing the gums down, it's pushing the bone down, and over time that just gets worse and worse and worse. And a lot of people don't even know how to treat this. Luckily, we actually know how to do a gingival graft on the lingual. So it's basically a gum graft over the lingual here, and that's something that can actually protect the gums and protect the bone right there. So if you have anything like recession on the inside, any sensitivity on the inside, also if you have a tongue ring, you're much more likely to have something like this happen. So if you have any of those risk factors, it would be a good idea to come in, get checked out, and that way we can take a look and see if we can help you out. Because we don't want this getting any worse, because that's how you end up losing your teeth. Thank you very much, and have a great day.